Hello friends, welcome back to CDL. In this tutorial, we will see how to set up 3D Help Viewer in Visual Studio. So we can access with a shortcut once we press Alt F1, Alt plus F1. So automatically it will open. Before that, we'll just open Visual Studio. I have installed 2022, so I'll open that Visual Studio. Let it open. Now I have opened my workspace. So this is the add-in. Just I have created a CA add-in class. This is just for a test. So now I want to show you here how we can access our 3ds help viewer with shortcut. So before that we have to set up that uh, one text file in 3ds help viewer, then we can easily access. So let's say if I select this cat cmd container and if I press alt f1, but still help will not open because we have not yet set that help viewer file. So we need to set that help viewer file. So I'll show you how we can set here. Now just go to help and you will get the option 3ds help viewer and 3ds object browser. So we need 3ds help viewer. So you can just click on this 3ds help viewer. We have to provide that file path here. Just browse that file path and provide. So I have selected that file path and I'll search that file here and I will add that file path here. So 3ds help viewer will so we can access 3ds help viewer from Visual Studio directly. So now I'll select this file here. See, you will get all the helps here. So if you want to select anything, if you want to search any API, you will get directly help from this Visual Studio. So let's say I'll show you one example here. Now I will search this new access API. So I'll press Alt plus F1. So in this case, our 3ds help viewer will open. Please do like, subscribe and share with your friends. We'll meet in next video. Thank you.